Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Halo Infinite. Weekly challenges are not working and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read the same article on our website Guitar Tips. And also you can refer our website for many more topics like Android, games, iPhones and iPad, social media, Windows, etc. So if you're talking about a fix, one of the solution which you have to try out is all about you have to completely exit from the game and you have to restart the game. In the same way, you have to completely end the task for Steam, as well as if any big things is running in the background. While going to the task manager over here, you just have to go to the task manager. So once you exit the game, most probably the Steam will be operating over here, as you can see. So just have to end the task for Steam. Also you have to end the task. Okay, then once it is done, you just have to close all these things and you have to do a restart on your PC. Then you just have to open the Halo Infinite once again, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And also you can try out by playing with solo mode to ensure whether there is an issue with the weekly challenges or not. You can try this also. So these are the basic things which you can try out, and most probably this is going to help you guys out, because I have seen it for some of the users, even in the Reddit they have mentioned the method and it helped them. So you can try this out, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. Have a great Christmas. Bye.